This is Dr. V.S. Nishok from EC Department, SNS College of Technology. Here we are going to discuss the topic Diode Rectifiers from the subject Fundamentals of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Here is the topic outline for this video. So why we are using rectifiers and what are the types half wave and full wave rectifiers and where we are using it in real world applications. Why rectifiers? So if based on the design thinking approach, so if you identify the problem in day-to-day consumer electronics, so everywhere we need of DC supply, but we are obtaining only AC supply which should be converted into DC. So the best material or component used to convert AC to DC is nothing but our rectifier with the help of the diodes. Here, what is the drawback while converting AC to DC is nothing but the ripples, nothing but the unwanted AC after the conversion of the signal into DC. So that is called as ripple. So that is more after the conversion of AC to DC. So which should be avoided. So here coming to the half wave rectifier. So here this half wave rectifier is consisting of a diode which converts the AC to DC. So only the half part of the cycle, clock cycle or input will be converted into DC. So and remaining will be remained as such. So that is the purpose of this half wave rectifier. So which is converting AC to DC, but only the half of the input is converted. So this is one solution for converting AC to DC, but with some drawbacks. So we are moving to the full wave rectifier. So here in this full wave rectifier, we will be using a center tap transformer, which is used to convert the input signal with two identical opposite polarity signal, which will be useful for the connected two diodes to convert the complete AC into the DC output signal. So that is the main purpose of the full wave rectifier, which will be utilizing center tap transformer and two diodes to convert the complete AC signal into the DC signal. So that is the main purpose of this full wave rectifier. So here the advantages of this full wave rectifier is nothing but high DC, less ripple than half wave rectifier. Ripple represents the unwanted AC signal after the conversion of DC signal. So here while comparing the performance of the half wave and full wave rectifier, so half wave rectifier converts only half cycle of the input signal, where in case the full wave rectifier converts the complete AC to DC signal. So the ripple frequency is the term which measures the amount of AC signal that available in the DC after conversion from AC. So that is called as a ripple frequency. So since the half wave rectifier is converting only half cycle, it will be having the frequency F, and full wave rectifier converting the full cycle, so it will be converting the double of the half cycle, that is 2F. So this is the measure of the AC signal in the output path. So here if we see the diagrams, so the full wave is completely converting AC to DC with more ripple frequency, which can be reduced with the help of the filter circuits, which will be using the inductor and capacitors in the output path. So here we will be using for better performance, we will be using the full wave rectifier. So on coming to the real world applications, so in every applications like mobile chargers, radio amplifiers, LED lighting and power adapters, where we are using television and routers and personal computers, everywhere we will be using this sort of rectifiers. And coming to the summary part, so in this topic diode rectifiers, we will be seen, we have covered why we are using the rectifier and what is the purpose of half wave rectifier and what is the advantage of full wave rectifier over the half wave rectifier, and we have compared the performance between the half wave and full wave rectifier, and finally we concluded with the real world applications. So coming to the assessment part, so in the half wave rectifier, conduction occurs during only positive half cycle is the right answer, and then a rectifier is primarily used to convert AC signal to DC signal. If you are converting DC to AC, that is called as inverter, that is different part. So here the right answer is option B. Yes. So here is the reference where we can read much more about the topic diode rectifiers. Thank you all for joining this video. We can join in the next video.